All right, and we're back. So deriving the formula for converging infinite geometric series. We already found the formula, but let's derive it again. So sum of finite geometric series. We've got, if k is 1, we're going to some number. Our geometric series was the a1, 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r. So what happens as n approaches infinity? So if our common ratio, absolute value of our common ratio is less than 1, so if it's a fraction, as n goes to infinity, so as it's getting bigger and bigger, what's going to happen to Rn? So we've got, like, say, 1/2 raised to a huge power. That's going to get super tiny, so Rn is going to 0. So just to say it one more time, our limit as n goes to infinity of our geometric series, well, r to the n we know is going to 0, so this is turning into 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So what we're left with is just a1 over 1 minus r. So there's exactly why we're using this formula. So this formula, the sum of that geometric series is equaling this formula. So that is our important formula for today that we talked about last class and we've covered like at least twice today. So using that, let's do some practice problems. So please pause the video now, and after you do the practice problems, come back to the video and we will talk about them. Or if you choose, you could also talk about the practice problems as class. All right, first practice problem. Is this geometric? No. So this is not geometric, so it's going to diverge. The next one, if you found the pattern, you hopefully found that it's times -1/3 each time. So if we're going to plug it in, we've got S equals a1, so -9 in this case, over 1 minus r, so -1/3. So minus negative is plus positive. So we've got -9 over 4/3, which is going to give us -27 over 4. So that'll be what our sum of our geometric series is converging to. For the next one, I did not find a common ratio, so this is also not geometric, so it's going to diverge. For the next one, hopefully you found the pattern of multiplying by 1/2 each time. So our sum is going to equal a1, so 1/2, over 1 minus the pattern, so 1 minus 1/2. So 1/2 divided by -1/2? Nope, positive 1/2. So 1/2 divided by 1/2 is just 1. So our series is converging to 1. And finally, in this situation, we know that this is our r. So if we're wanting to find what a1 is, we're starting at k is 1. So 5 times 2/3 to the 1. So that's going to be 5 times 2/3. So that'll be 10 over 3. So when I do my sum, it's going to equal 10 over 3 is my a1, divided by 1 minus my r, so 2/3. 10 over 3 divided by 1 over 3 is going to go to 10. So my series is going to converge to 10. So now it is your time for homework. So please take this time and work on your homework. Hope you had a good class. I'll see you guys next week.